So, guys, welcome all for day one training. Before I start my training, guys, I just want to understand one thing. Okay, how many of us are here? Those who don't know anything about trading and investing. I'm talking about people, those who have not done any kind of investing and any kind of trading in the stock market so far. Just type one in the chat box, guys. Please, it is my request. Please type one. Okay, okay. Perfect. I got it. I got it. Thank you so much, guys, for being so responsive. Okay, so guys, I have a few expectations from you. Okay, number one, guys, every time whenever I am finishing any topic, okay, I'll ask you guys like whether that topic was clear or not. So you will guys will let me know in chat box by typing one that yep, that a particular topic is clear to all of you. Okay, and if there is any question specific related to that topic, you can ask me that question. Okay, and also I will be allowing you guys to speak on the mic. So yep. You guys can speak with me whenever you want. You just need to raise your hand or you just need to ask question. I'll answer it for you guys. So it is going to be two-way communication. It is not going to be like that I'm only speaking and I'm not taking care of you guys. It's not going to be like that. So please be rest assured. Okay. So let's start our day now, guys. So today here we are going to learn basics of stock market. So now I know that all of us are new. Okay. Like we have not done any kind of investing and any kind of trading. Okay. But if I want to give one small example, guys, we have been to market multiple times, right? Vegetable market, we have been to departmental store, we have been to like recently there was a Diwali, so we went to market to buy fireworks and explosives. Everyone, are you guys getting my point? Huh? So same thing here we are implementing in stock market also, guys. Understand one thing, guys. In stock market, there are only two participants. Okay. In stock market, there are only two participants. Number one participant is buyer. Okay. Number one participant is buyer. And number two participant is seller. So entire stock market is working between buyer and seller. Okay. Apart from that, guys, we have two exchanges. We have two exchanges. Hmm. One is BSE, which is oldest stock exchange of India, Bombay Stock Exchange. And second, we have NSE, Bombay National Stock Exchange. Now, understand one thing, guys. There were more exchanges. Okay, there was Gujarat Stock Exchange, there was Madras Stock Exchange, there was Kolkata Stock Exchange, but now we have only two. Okay, what happened was, guys, now maximum trading and investing volume has been shifted to these two exchanges only. Okay, now understand if I have one shop, grocery store, if I have one grocery store, okay, and I don't have customers, okay, no customers are coming to my shop, so will I be able to run my shop properly, guys? Kindly please answer me this in the chat box, all of you. If you guys want, I am enabling mic access for all of you. Okay, 1 second. Guys, you have now mic access too. So you can unmute yourself and answer the questions. Okay. Understand, guys. If I have this grocery store, okay, and no customers are coming to my shop, will I be able to manage my store for in the long run? Not possible for me, guys. There is no customer, there is no revenue. Similarly, there were other stock exchanges too. I can show you proper example over here, guys. Just give me 1 second. You just go to Google, huh? Uh, just type over here exchange apart from BSE and NSE. Okay. Now see this, guys, over here. Bombay Stock Exchange is there, National Stock Exchange. Apart from that, we have right now commodity. Okay. In commodity, guys, we trade in gold, we trade in silver, we trade in crude oil, we trade in cotton, we trade in Brent. Okay. 1 second. Gold exchanges, stock market, which closed in India. Okay. Guys, you can see this. This were the old stock exchanges that we had before BS, like along with BSE and NSE. Everyone, do you guys want me to share this link with you guys? Everyone, kindly please confirm me in the chat box. Do you guys want me to share this link with all of you? Huh? We had Ahmedabad Stock Exchange, Kolkata Stock Exchange, Delhi Stock Exchange, Guwahati Stock Exchange. But understand, guys, since there was no transaction happening on these exchanges, that's the reason all of them are closed now. Now we have only two. One is Bombay Stock Exchange and one is National Stock Exchange. I hope now this part is clear to all of you, right, everyone? Kindly please confirm me in the chat box quickly. It is my request, all of you. Hmm? Everyone? Okay. I'm sharing this link now. So, guys, stock market concept is very simple. Okay. Stock market concept is very simple. It works. Stock market works on the basis of supply and demand. Everyone, supply and demand. Okay, now please answer this question. How many of you guys know about supply and demand? We have learned this theory when we were in 11th grade and 12th grade. All of you, kindly please reply me in the chat box quickly. How many of us know this concept of supply and demand? All of you. You guys can unmute yourself, guys. I have given you guys mic access also. The more you will speak, I will like it. I'll be able to communicate with you guys more clearly. Everyone. Okay, perfect. So now understand this theory, guys. Okay, recently we have iPhone 17 in market, right, everyone? We have iPhone 17. Now, when this phone was launched newly, okay, the demand was very high. The demand was very high and the supply was limited, right, everyone? So, because of which, what happened? People were ready to pay as much as price possible to get that orange phone. Everyone, are you guys getting my point? Huh? Actually, the phone cost was 1,34,000. Okay, something like this. But actually, people were paying more than this. People were paying 1,70,000 also in local stores to get this orange variant. Why? Because there was a huge demand, but the supply was very less. Now come to iPhone 16, guys. Now come to iPhone 16. Okay. So in iPhone 16, guys, what they did, they reduced the price of iPhone 16. Everyone, they reduced the price of iPhone 16. So what happened now? They created more demand for iPhone 16, and because there was enough of supply, right? Because of which the prices were reduced for iPhone 16. Everyone, are you guys able to understand the point that I'm explaining you right now? Guys, kindly please type one in the chat box. It is my request. All of you. Same thing, guys, happens in stock market. Okay. Same thing happens in stock market. For example, there's a Reliance stock. Okay, I'll come on this point. how the stocks are getting listed to the market. But right now, we are working on supply on demand concept. For example, guys, right now, Reliance price is 1000 rupees. Just assume it. Okay. Now understand, guys, in stock market, what we do, we deploy our money into the businesses. Okay. The more money you invest in good business, there's a high chances that you will get a good return from the market. Everyone, are you guys able to understand my concept? In stock market, you are investing your money, okay, on businesses, okay. The more that business will be growing, similarly, your amount that you have invested, even same the invested amount will also grow. Okay. Now understand, guys, this time what happened? Reliance gave very good results. Okay. Reliance said we have 30% profit this year. And now this will invite new buyer. This will create new demand. Now, because of this demand, what will happen? The price of this stock will rise. It will go from 1000 to, let's take it 1300. Okay. Now understand, guys, since Reliance is a good company, there are many further investors who are expecting that, yeah, this time Reliance has given 30% return. We may see more good returns in next year also. So let's invest more money. So now again, this will lead to more demand. And now the price will become 1500. So now understand this, guys. Previously, Reliance was here at 100, sorry, 1000. New buyer came, price went up. Now the price is at 1300 rupees. So here there are more buyers wherein they are creating demand. And because of this demand, again the price will go up. And now the price is 1500. Now understand one thing, guys. The people who took position in Reliance at this area, they will definitely try to book profit, right? Do you guys agree with the statement? Huh? Everyone? Do you guys agree with this statement? What I said? All of you? Huh? The people, those who entered in the Reliance stock when the price was 1000 rupees and now the price is at 1500, definitely they will try to book the profit, right? Similarly, these people will also try to book profit. So, guys, whenever there is a profit booking, now definitely price will start coming down. Why? Because they are now creating supply. Everyone, here they were creating demand. Okay. Now here they are creating supply. Guys, is that clear to all of you now? This is what we call price behavior. All of you, please type one in the chat box if this topic is clear to all of you. Okay. In case if you guys have any question, you guys have access to mic also. You can unmute yourself and you can ask me your questions also, guys. Guys, can I get a reply, please? Everyone, is it clear to all of you now? Everyone, please type one in the chat box. Okay, perfect. Varun, if you ask me to repeat entire this part, then it's not possible for me. If you have any specific question, then please ask me. Else, you can watch the recording, and after that, you message me. Why I'm saying this? Because everyone time is important, right? Please. So please be specific exactly what you want me to repeat. I will repeat that for you. Don't worry. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm going further. Once I see your question, I will definitely take it. Okay. Now let's understand this. How the stock is getting listed to the market. Everyone, number one thing, if any XYZ company wants to get listed into the market, that company needs to be public first. For example, we have this XYZ Industries. Okay. So now, first of all, this company has to be public company. Okay. Like Reliance is a public company. Now understand, here we have Varun. Okay. Varun is owner of this XYZ industry, wherein this industry works toward petroleum. Okay, guys, please be focused over here. Huh? Now, Varun is doing very good business from past 10 years. Varun has been doing great in this XYZ industry. Now, Varun wants to grow this business. What are the ways when what are the ways where Varun can ask for money, guys? Everyone, can you please reply me this in the chat box? All of you. Varun wants to grow this business now. Okay. So what are the ways wherein he can raise the money so he can expand his business? Everyone. Again, I'm saying you guys have mic access. You can unmute yourself. Okay. Chinna, that is the last part. Okay. That is the main part. But what other options apart from getting listed in stock market? What are the other options? Huh, guys? Go for loan. Okay. Number one, Ramesh said go for loan. Okay. So, guys,
Part
understand. Sorry, sir.
partnership.
Partnership. Okay. I got it. There's a Ramesh gave me answer loan. One more person gave me option of partnership. Okay. Now understand one thing, sir. If partner had that much amount of money, then why would he had go for loan? You got my point, sir? He right now Varun needs 100 CR. Do you think, sir, that the partner will give him this 100 CR? Is it possible for the partner? No, right?
No.
Perfect. So again, so this option is cross. Now coming to the loan part, guys. If Varun is taking loan from the company, Varun has to pay a very good amount of interest year on year till the time the loan is getting clear. So here again, Varun has a heavy interest. And again, Varun has to dance according to their terms and conditions. So do you think this is a very good option? Everyone? Guys, please reply me. Do you think is it a good option to take a loan? Look, guys, none of the business can survive without loan. They are taking loans, but they are taking very limited liabilities so they can manage their thing. Okay, so now let's come to the point. So XYZ industry wants 100 CR to expand. Okay, so now what XYZ industry will do, you know, XYZ industry will create one RHP. The full form of RHP is Red Hearing Prospect. Okay, so now let's understand this. What does RHP do? Okay, RHP will have information of each and every single year from where exactly company started till date. Okay, so here we are 10 years. Okay, 10 years old company. So now here what is happening? Varun has to show a proper balance sheet. Guys, how many of you are from the commerce background over here? Please let me know in the chat box. Please, it is my request. All of you. How many of you are here from the commerce background? Tejaswini, okay. Who else? Varun, okay. Sai, okay. That's it? Okay. Okay. Prajwal is also from commerce background. So, guys, those who are from commerce background, they might be knowing all these terminologies which I'm writing. Okay. But understand, guys, I am from engineering background. I was not knowing this, but I learned from my sister. But again, when we are trading and investing, guys, no need to go through with entire things. Okay, all the data is available on the internet for the free of cost. It is just good to know information that I'm sharing with you guys, because you should know that how the company gets listed into the stock market. Everyone. Hmm? So Varun has to show balance sheet. Okay, apart from that, Varun has to show the cash flow. Varun has to share entire information of the business, like from where are they doing business, how many manufacturing plants they have, how many lands are they holding, each and every single thing. Varun has to discuss about partners, okay? And here Varun needs 100 crore, right? So they need to discuss this, that why they want 100 crore. Are they want to clear all the liabilities? Are they want to acquire new land or machinery or warehouse? Okay. Or they want to give exit to their old investors? Everyone, how many of you guys are watching Shark Tank? All of you? Huh? How many of you guys know about Shark Tank? Most of the, like recently, guys, now Lenskart IPO is coming. Okay. Let's look with a proper example. Lenskart IPO. Okay. Now see this. Over here. I'll go to 1 second, huh? Yeah, here. Okay, this website is not working. 1 second. So, guys, understand this. Right now, we are looking at the IPO of the Lenskart. Okay. So, guys, how much Lenskart need? What's the issue size? 7,278 crore. All of you. Are you guys getting my point? 7,278 crore they need. Now, here, if you see, the price band of Lenskart IPO is 382 to 402. Okay, so each share of Lenskart will cost you between 382 rupees to 402. Okay, now understand this, guys. Here, 1 second. I'm just looking for the number of investors that Lenskart have. I want to show you guys that, so you will be having idea that. One moment. 1 second. Guys, I hope you guys are able to understand things which I'm explaining you, right, everyone? Can you please confirm me in the chat box? It is my request, all of you. Huh? Okay, perfect. I'm just waiting for the old investors. Strengthen risk, okay. Lenskart business model, total income, balance sheet. Guys, see, they have showed everything. Profit and loss, their balance sheet and everything. Okay, how to apply. Okay, 1 second. Lenskart IPO, old investor. Okay, search. Okay, now this is open. 1 second. Expenditure. I'm just trying to find out like how exactly they are going to divide that 7,000 crores actually. So I'm just looking for that part so I can explain you guys. Wait, huh? Company financials, KPI. Guys, see, this is the RHP report of Lenskart. Okay, yeah, there we got it. Guys, understand this. These are the people. Piyush Bansal, the owner of the company. Okay. Again, Neha Bansal, guys, it's her wife. It's wife. Amit Chaudhary, Sumit Kapahi. So these are the people, guys, wherein they will be taking exit. Okay, they will be taking exit from the Lenskart when once the IPO is listed on the stock market. Okay, and this money will be given to all these investors. Everyone. See this. These are all the old investors of the Lenskart. So, wherein these people invested money when Lenskart was baby. Okay. Now, definitely that baby has grown up. Baby is now almost now 10, 15 years old. So, whatever expenses they had to make that baby grow, definitely they will be taking that money from us. All of you, are you guys getting my point? So right now, here if you see, the face value is only 2 rupees. Everyone, equity share of face value is only 2 rupees. Then what is rest of the amount? Everyone, then what is rest of the amount? The amount that which we are looking over here, that 382 to 402 rupees. Guys, that's the premium that we are paying for the baby which has grown up. Are you getting my point, all of you? Guys, please let me know in chat box quickly. Huh? So here, these people got the baby. They made the baby grow properly. Okay, now baby has started doing business. So now they want exit. So basically, with our money, they will be taking exit from the business. They will be doing business, but based on the business, the price of stocks will be go up and down between buyers and sellers. I hope that now you guys understood that how the stock is getting listed to the stock market. So RHP comes into the picture with all this information. So in public domain, we can read about the business, what kind of business they are doing. Once the SEBI approves that RHP, that becomes DRHP. Okay, draft trade hearing prospect, and after that, IPO gets launched. Okay, once the IPO is launched, okay, see this IPO date is October 31st to November 4. So between this date, everyone, between this date, it will allow us to place bid on the Lenskart IPO. How much money I will need to place this bid? Okay, I will need 37 into 4, 402 into 37. 402 into 37. So minimum this much amount will require if you want to place an order for this IPO. Okay, guys, I hope that now this IPO part is clear to all of you, that how the companies are getting listed to the market. Okay, everyone, please type one in the chat box, all of you. Guys, please type one. It is my request, so I can, like, at least I'll come to know the things that I'm sharing with you guys. Is it understandable or not to you? Okay. So, guys, this was a theory part. Okay. Now, again, come back to the practical part. Sir, now we know how the company is getting listed and everything. But you tell me how to trade, how to invest, how we can earn money. Everyone, right? We have this question in our mind. All of you. Hello, everyone. We have this question in our mind, right? Huh? Right now, we know this, that the stock is getting listed into the market. On this, we will be doing trading and everything. But, sir, come to the main point now. Okay. So, guys, here in market, we have two options. Okay. We can trade, or either we can invest. Okay. We have two options. Hmm? Now, understand this part, guys. For this, we need data. For this, we need data. What kind of data we need? Guys, we need fundamental data. We need technical data, and we need economic data. Already I explained this fundamental part. Where will I get this fundamental data? Let's go. I'll just go to here. Personally, I am using this Trendline application, guys. Okay. I'm using this application, guys, for my fundamental analysis. For example, if I'm on Reliance, okay, so here you have all the fundamentals of this company. There's a P ratio, EPS ratio, proper valuations, strength, weakness, opportunity analysis. Everyone, the fundamentals of the market. If I tap on view all, see, you will be getting proper balance sheets, quarterly reports, annual report, yearly balance sheet, ratios, and everything. Guys, everything is available on internet. No need to pay a single penny to anyone to understand this.
Is it
Okay.
possible to view in Trading View also? Trading View.
Yes, sir. Definitely, definitely. You can
Okay.
view this on Trading View. See
Okay.
here, you can come here. You can go to indicate. Even Trading View have its own inbuilt screeners and everything, sir.
Okay.
So 1 second, let me check. I know how to use it. How to fetch that things on computer version. I have never fetched that data on this tablet version. I'll be very clear to you, sir. But let me check if I'm able to help you out for this right away. Okay, 1 second, sir. Let's make a deal over here. I'll add symbol. I'll go to Reliance. Task failed with the server. 1 second. Not working. 1 second.
Okay, no issue. Trend line you can go.
I'll just try one more time. So just give me 1 second. So here, sir, what I'll do is, I'm really sorry. I'll make a special video on that, sir. Okay. So please be
Okay.
rest assured. Huh? Really sorry, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
So guys, here, whatever stock you want, now you can just search. Like if you want to go for the TCS, just tap on TCS. Okay, and you will get the proper idea of fundamentals. And like we are going to learn this part also, guys, proper how exactly fundamental work. Okay, and guys, here you can compare that particular stocks with the rivals also. Like here that we have peers. Okay, you can see there's a TCS, there's a Infosys, there's a HCL, there's a Wipro, there's a LTIM, there's a Tech Mahindra. Everyone, I hope that you guys are able to understand this, right? And once you tap on this, any of this now, you'll be able to see that particular stock details also over here. Okay, so again here you can switch to the different time frames also, like 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. In 2 years stock has given 29% return. In 3 years it has given 34%. In 5 years stock has given 74% return. So like there are many things, guys. Trust me, this is the one tool that you guys can use. Apart from that, there's one more tool, uh market market smith. Yeah, this is another tool, guys. Even you guys can use this tool also. Okay, forget about this technical part right now. You need to focus on this fundamental part. So if you see this over here, you have all the fundamentals of the company, the year on year company EPS, earning per share report. You have quarterly earnings of the company. You have everything, information, all the information about management team. You have information about the shareholding pattern, how much is the ownership holding, how much is the mutual funds are holding, how much insurance companies are holding. So you guys have like proper access to everything over here, guys. It is just there are few abbreviations that we need to understand, but trust me, guys, if you're going for the swing trading or if you're going for positional trading also now, guys, you the main key you need, that is technical part. Fundamental will show you where to invest. Everyone understand the statement. Okay, fundamental will show you where to invest. Technical will show you when to invest. Everyone, you guys got my point. Now coming to the technical part. Sir, what is technical data? Actually, in technical data we try to understand price behavior. Okay, like if I talk about price behavior, normally what happens in one single year, few commodities price go up due to low supply and high demand. Okay, then what happens? One particular time comes there where the price becomes saturated, wherein yes, Gokula, any questions?
Yes, Mehul, I have one doubt. In
Yes, sir.
fundamental, what are the ratios we need to consider before investing?
Sir, the ratios are like price to earning ratio, earning per share, return on equity, return on capital employed, debt to equity. Apart from this, we need quarterly earning reports also, sir. Okay, if you are going
Okay.
for a positional trade, so you will not rely on that 1 year old balance sheet, right, sir? You will be require the
Mm-hmm.
quarterly earnings of that company, that quarter on quarter basis, how the company is earning, right? So
Yeah.
you can get everything on the website. So there are multiple websites. You can go to Screener, you can go to Trendline. In fact, in Angel One, you have that option. You can, like, there are many options available, sir. And again, every time when company is releasing that quarterly results, guys, understand
Mm-hmm.
this. No need to read that entire 30-40 pages PDF. Just do one simple thing: download that PDF, give that PDF to Chat GPT, and just ask them, help me with the main highlight points from this PDF. That's it. That particular outcome will let you know that how much is the earning, what are the future plans, how much cash flow they have, what is management is following. And again, if you listen to con call of the company, every company they arrange a con calls, okay, quarterly basis, to take a few for the future decisions. So again, if you download that transcript reports and give it to Chat GPT or Perplexity or Google Gemini, like, you will definitely get a good outcome. You got my point, sir? Gokula? Gokula? Got
Yes,
my
yes.
point?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, understand, try to use as much as AI tools also to reduce your hard work. Because understand, guys, if you start doing things manually, the moment you will enter into market, already the moment is gone. So try to be a little bit more smarter, guys. Okay. So Gokula, from what part of India are you from?
Southern part. Chennai.
Can you help me with the name of the city?
Chennai.
Chennai. Okay. So Gokula, if I want to come to Chennai from Mumbai, I can take bus, I can walk, I can take train, I can take flight. There are multiple ways, right, Gokula?
Correct.
Huh?
Correct. Yeah.
But understand this, which one is easier? The flight path.
Correct. Yeah.
After that, train part. After that, bus, and after that, again, if you have a own vehicle. So understand, in market also, when you are doing trading or investing, na, there are multiple methods. You can use candlestick patterns, you can use chart patterns, you can use fundamental and ratio analysis, you can use indicators. You need to figure out which one is easy for you.
Michael, are you suggesting to use artificial intelligence like robot input they are giving, no? Algo.
Right? But again, I am not asking you guys to use algo. I am only asking you guys to use artificial intelligence to retrieve the information, which will save your time to read that big documents.
Okay, done.
Guys, understand? Never ever go for algo trading now, because still the algo is very unregulated in Indian market, guys. Understand? So for now, again, I'm saying human intervention is very important when it comes to trading and investing. Pratap, is that clear now?
Yeah, it's clear. Just input we can take from algo, but fundamental analysis, technical data, and economic, we should do that. Then we can go ahead. Correct?
Yes, right. But again, I'm saying, sir, please avoid using algo.
Okay.
Avoid for now. Because right now we don't know, right? What are the backend values are given to them.
But
You
once
got
they
my
give a
point?
call, we can analyze all those things, no, using fundamental, technical, and economical. We
Yep,
can.
we can. Again,
Hmm.
I'm saying, sir, just use for data things. That's it.
Okay,
But
okay,
don't allow them to execute trade
okay,
on
okay, okay.
behalf of you. That is
Yeah.
what I
We
am
only will
saying.
do the trade. Yeah.
Okay. Everyone, kindly please type one in the chat box if this part is clear to all of you. So then what about binary trading? It is legal. Varun sir, I'll tell you one thing. Binary trading is nothing. It is just a scam. I'm telling you, sir, why that XNS platform was closed, why that Option IQ platform was closed. Because while people were placing the bids for trading, na, okay, for example, you are placing trading order. In front of you, there is machine. There is no actual seller available. You got my point, Varun? In Indian stock market, if you're selling that stock, na, that stock is going to someone else and their money is coming to you. You try to understand this. But other things, they were just the graphical softwares and they were fooling people. That's the reason that all the terminals are banned in India now. Everyone, you got my point? All of you, please type one in the chat box quickly. Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, Channa.
Sir, if I want to sell the stock, but none of the people were able to accept that stock, but none of the people want to buy that stock, then what will happen?
Sorry, sir, I didn't get that question. Can you please repeat that again for me?
Like if you want to sell, if I want me to sell the stock, so one of the
Hmm.
person have to buy it, right?
Right.
If the people are not available to buy, then what will happen?
So in
Can I
Indian
able to sell
market,
it?
I'll tell you, I'm coming on that point. In market, we have two things, sir. One is upper circuit and one is lower circuit. Okay. Every stock has this limit. Now I'll tell you, sir, whenever there's an upper circuit, for example, if people are buying stock, okay, and the price is continuously going up, prices that there are buyers, but there are no sellers in that stock. So what will happen on that particular day? Market will not allow to place any buying order for this stock. Why? Because already the price has reached to the upper circuit. Okay, that means buyers are available, but there are no sellers. You got my point, Chinna? To meet that supply and demand concept, okay, the demand is very high, but there is no supply of the stock. There is no supply for that equity share. You got my point now? Same similarly happens for the lower circuit. People are continuously selling that stock, continuously, and no buyers are coming to buy this stock. So what will happen? Market will not allow you to sell that quantities if that stock is coming to the lower circuit. Chinna, is that clear?
Yes, sir, it's absolutely clear.
Okay, perfect. So guys, tomorrow what are we going to learn now? I'll explain that now. Okay. So every day before market opens, guys, we should know how to do analysis in the market. Okay. So tomorrow we will try to understand about analysis data. Number one. After that, we'll try to do market analysis for Wednesday. So at 6 p.m. we'll do our analysis for the Wednesday market. Okay. After that, we'll try to figure out our main market zone. Main market zone. When I'm talking about this market zone, guys, what are the zones are? This zone are my supply zone and my demand zone. So these are the things that we are going to discuss tomorrow onwards. And apart from that, guys, I would like to share one more thing with all of you guys. Look, I'll be helping you guys for the all the theory part and practical part. Okay, you guys might be aware that your coordinators have told you to add minimum fund to learn the live market ordering process. Okay, so while we are trading in market, we should know that what type of order we should place and everything. Okay, so it is my request, guys, please do add minimum fund, which is 800 to 1000. Okay, in this amount you will be learning about live market, you will be learning about intraday, you will be learning about option trading. Okay, you will be learning about stock delivery. Okay, and this is only order placing part, guys. Okay, there is no analysis in this. Like based on market data, what type of order you will need to place during that particular time. Okay, so understand, guys, while placing this order, again, as you are doing it in live market, so yep, the brokerage charges are involved in this. Okay, brokerage charges are involved every time you place buy order. 20 rupees is buying and 20 rupees is selling. But don't worry, guys, it is just a normal uh, pattern that we need to learn before we start trading in proper live market with the real money. Okay, in live data properly. So with this, you will learn how to place orders in market properly based on the data analysis. So there are guys almost 7 to 8, like almost 6 to 7 orders. Okay, so 20, so if you calculate this, just do it like 40 into 7. 7 zeros are 0, 7 28. So first your coordinator will helping you, and then you will be placing orders by your own. So that's the reason we are asking guys, please to add minimum fund so you can understand live market stuff. And yep, again, we will try to figure out one single day wherein you guys will be learning with me in live market, wherein whatever strategy and things I'm discussing with you, okay, will implementing in live market, wherein I will be doing trading and you will be looking into that. Okay, and you will be asking me questions on real time in the market. Hmm? Guys, I hope that this session was very informative for all of you. Okay, and you guys were able to understand each and every single terminology and term which I was explaining you guys. All of you, please let me know in chat box. Pratap, Gokul Krishnan, Chinna, everyone. Sai?
This technical analysis, tomorrow you will take, no? Analysis of data and market analysis.
Yep. Yet we are not on technical, so we are still on data segregation part right now.
Fundamental
Technical,
only.
yep, not on fundamental, sir. Fundamental part is different. Technical part is different. We are going to learn this, but right now, for doing a day trading, okay, because nowadays no one is interested in to keep money for 3 months, 4 months in the market. Everyone wants a quick money. To
Okay.
earn that quick money, you should first know how to segregate that data and then how to interpret it, right? So
Yeah.
that we will be learning tomorrow, sir.
Okay.
Any other
Uh,
questions? Yes, Chinna.
Sir,
Yes, Sai.
which you said brokerage charges.
Haha.
Uh, is it necessary to invest for the first time tomorrow itself, or how?
Not to, if you like, if you feel now that you are not comfortable tomorrow, you want to attend more sessions, you can let
Uh,
your coordinator know that please let me attend few more sessions so at least I can understand few more terminologies. Then you can do it.
okay.
Otherwise,
Uh, th-
just help me with the name of your coordinator.
no, actually, I was just asking you. My
Okay.
coordinator is
In this case,
Shruti.
so Shruti, right? Okay, no problem. I'll let her know. Your name is Sai, right?
No, it's okay, sir. I can attend it.
Okay. This is my number. Guys, everyone, please save this number. My name is Mehul. Okay. In case if there's any complaint, any doubt, any question, anything. For example, your coordinator is not sharing you link, your coordinator is not teaching you properly. Okay. You guys can buzz me on this number. I will make sure that I am helping you out to solve your problem. Okay. Everyone?
Sir, the last question.
Yes.
Sir, you'll make us invest in the stocks tomorrow at
No, 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 no,
the.
no, no. You are not going to invest in stock with me. Okay. What I'm gonna do is once the market is closed, we are going to learn the case study of that market. Okay. And based on that, we are going to do analysis of Wednesday market.
Okay, then the brokerage. Why we have to pay the brokerage
So
charges?
this is altogether different part, sir. This brokerage part because you will be learning order placing, sir. Right now, I cannot teach you guys order placing, right? Only your coordinators can teach you because if I go in that part, so then when I will finish my all the sessions. So for example, understand the market data is positive. Okay, now you tell me what type of order you will place. You know only one type of order, right? That is
Yeah.
normal buy and normal sell, right, sir? Huh?
Yes, sir.
But understand, directly entering into the running market. Do you think
Uh,
that's a good idea?
no, actually.
Right, we should know the proper levels of our market. So for that we should know what type of order we need. For example, if I see that market is at 100 right now and every time when market is going to 150, market is experiencing rejection and again price is coming down. Okay, and now you feel that again market is going to go up from here. So what you will do, sir, once market is coming over here and when market will start going up, whether market is going to wait for your order? No, right? So here
Yeah.
at this point you should be having a limit order. For example, while market is at 110 or market is at 103, what you will do, you will place a limit order for the 100. Why 100? Because you know that every time when market came at 100, again market went up. So again in this, you will learn about limit order. If it goes properly according to your analysis, then you will do a normal sell over here. So here you learned about two orders. One you learned about limit order and one you learned about normal sell. So here we have so many orders, sir, like normal orders combined like here normal buy. See this, sir. Normal buy. You just came to the market, you saw, you place directly buy, normal sell. This is a common order. After that, there's a SL buy order. This we place order on the higher bid. Again, we have SL sell order. This is loss averaging order. After that, we have a limit buy order. If you want to buy something on a lower price, this is what example that I recently gave you. So after that, we have limit sell order. We have robo order. Again, we can combine all these orders also. We can combine all these orders too. For example, you went for the SL buy, and now you know that market will go up till that point. You place their limit order at the higher point. You got my point, sir? So this part you need to learn from your coordinator. So once you are with me in the live market, you will come to know that based on data, what type of orders I need to place. You got my point, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, I will be sharing this recording with your coordinators. Okay. And again, what I'm going to do is I'll create a neat and clean notes for you guys. Okay. So you guys can understand this properly. Okay. Meanwhile, any other doubt or questions you have for me, guys?
How many more classes you will conduct actually further?
So for you guys, I will be conducting, sir, another 7 sessions.
7 sessions.
Yes, another 7 sessions, and after that, you will be having access to the community, wherein another 1 week will be self-learning, sir, wherein you guys will be working on charts and you guys will be sending that to me, and wherein I will be helping you guys whether your analysis is going in right direction or wrong direction.
Okay. So totally 15 days. Next 15
Yes,
days we will
sir.
be learning.
So these 7 sessions are with me, and this 1 week is self-learning.
Okay.
Great. So guys, shall we end the session now, all of you?
Yeah.